Hi folks, Dr. Bob McCauley. Customers of ours came in the store about a month ago and she says, I'm going on this keto diet. I went on a keto diet a few weeks ago. I lost some weight, but I really feel lethargic and I think I'm losing all my electrolytes, because what the keto diet is where you basically, there's three types of food. There's fats, protein, carbohydrates, and you just remove the carbohydrates. That's like all your vegetables and all that kind of stuff. And now you've got either the high protein diet, okay, that's the Atkins diet, or you got the high fat diet. Okay, the high fat diet is the keto diet, and that's one we see today, the ketogenic diet. And what happens is your body doesn't have any more nutrients, so it just starts burning all the fat available, and so you lose weight really quickly. So you got to be careful with this. You know, you're putting your body into ketosis. You start producing all these ketones and ketone bodies and all this kind of stuff. So you just got to be careful with this kind of diet. I said, so I would recommend you put a little spirulina and chlorella in your diet. You're getting all your basic nutrients here. Take a handful with everything you eat. It's very low calorie. You're not going to add a lot of calories. Well, what you really need a lot of is lipase. A lipase is the enzyme that breaks down fat. And if you don't have that in your body, you're not going to break down fat. So if you're somebody who eats a little bit of fat and gains weight, you don't have lipase. So I specifically designed this product, KetoZyme, to have the enzymes needed to break down fat. And I see all these people going on the ketogenic diet, and I want to make sure that you're going to do that in a healthy way. So if you're going to eat huge amounts of fat and put that in your diet, you want to make sure you got a lot of lipase. And that's what KetoZyme has, lots of lipase. You'll break that down, and your body will be able to pass that. And, you'll get a lot of nutrients out of it, especially if it's the right kind of fat, things like, even coconut oil or olive oil or, sunflower oil, these kinds of things. So you can do this healthy in a healthy way if you have lipase. So KetoZyme, and there's a bunch of other enzymes in there. There's some vitamins, and there's amla. Now, these all work together synergistically to really, help you digest all the different types of foods, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, but it targets fat specifically. And so, and that's what you really want if you're going to be on the keto diet. Dr. Bob, I'll see you next time. Visit us at watershed.net.